Hi and welcome to Sounds Heavenly. My name's Steve and I make the cables that connect Bang and Olufsen. Now today's video is a bit different. I wanted to show you one of the more special B&O projects that I've been involved in over the years. Music at a motor show. Now here is a glimpse of what's to come. B&O enthusiasts will no doubt be aware that it was way back in 2005 when B&O started working with Audi to transform the sound of their in-car audio systems. However, my own involvement in the story came 4 years later, in September 2009, when Audi were preparing for the Frankfurt International Motor Show. I was asked to work with Audi's exhibition designers to provide the cabling for their hospitality areas of their display space. Now the sharper-eyed viewers amongst you will be able to spot in the photos that are coming up a B&O 9000, some B&O 9 speakers and also some B&O 6000s on wall brackets in the VIP hospitality areas. So let's take a look behind the scenes, where you won't normally get to go. Let's see how the cables were used. Now personally I wasn't involved in the actual on-site installation, so these pictures were kindly sent to me by the Audi engineers in Germany. Despite the apparent complexity of the stand, the audio cabling was actually reasonably straightforward. So in this case the B&O 9000 was connected to an audio matrix which basically feeds the sound to a number of speaker zones in different sections of the exhibition space. These included passive ceiling speakers in the main display area as well as the B&O speakers that you saw. So this allows for various other music sources to play to any area of the stand as required, or for announcements to be made via a microphone input. So in this case we use this power link to RCA cable to connect the B&O 9000 into the audio matrix, and then a speaker sense adapter was used in the other socket of the B&O 9000 so that it still responds to remote control commands without having B&O speakers plugged straight into it. And this was an interesting byproduct of this show, that in doing the testing to set up the cabling, we found that the B&O 9000 goes into option 0 without speakers connected, which means it ignores the remote control. So the speaker sense adapter that you see on my website was a direct result of the Audi Motor Show cabling. So thank you, Audi. The B&O 6000 speakers then plug into the outputs of the audio matrix with line cables, and line to power link cables are used for the B&O 9 speakers. Each speaker is set to line mode with a little switch on the back, and then it will turn on automatically when the music plays. This way the audio matrix can control the volume and the source of music that's playing directly to each speaker zone. This is very similar to the arrangement that many people have in their home now with Sonos, for example. So the audio matrix was a very early version of this, but intended for industrial use. It's worth adding the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2009 was a particularly significant milestone for Audi, as it marked their 100-year anniversary. And you can see this celebrated in the 100-year Audi banner on the main part of their stand. One little known fact is that the word Audi is the Latin translation of the surname of the company founder, August Horch. And Horch, quite aptly, is the German word for listen. And I'm going to show you some stunning pictures that were taken by Audi and sent to me of the finished overall exhibition stand, and these are used with their permission to show off their vehicles to superb effect. As a fan of both Bang & Olufsen and Audi, it was great to be able to assist Audi at this high profile event. Of course, I'll be equally happy to assist you with any cabling for your own audio system, whether that's for public display or for your own private use at home. So please feel free to get in touch via my website at soundsheavenly.com if you've got any connection questions. Thank you for watching.